Interior design trends are always changing, and while some styles stand the test of time, others fade away quickly. If you want to create a home that looks stylish and remains beautiful for years to come, you need to be aware of trends that might not be the best choice. In this video, we will talk about 10 interior design trends that you might want to avoid. Whether they are impractical, outdated, or simply not worth the investment, these trends can make your home feel less inviting rather than more stylish. Let's dive in. 1. All white interiors. White interiors have been popular for years because they make spaces look bright and clean. However, having everything in white can make your home feel cold and sterile rather than warm and inviting. White furniture and walls also require constant cleaning, which can be frustrating. Instead of going for an all-white look, try adding warm tones and textures to create a more welcoming space. 2. Open shelving in kitchens. Open shelves in kitchens look beautiful in photos, but they can be difficult to maintain in real life. Dishes, cookware, and ingredients can quickly make the shelves look cluttered and messy. Dust and grease from cooking can also accumulate on the items, making them hard to clean. If you love the idea of open shelving, consider using it in small sections while keeping most of your storage behind cabinet doors. 3. Overly matching furniture. Buying a full furniture set for your bedroom or living room might seem like an easy way to decorate, but it can make your home feel like a showroom rather than a personal space. Rooms that are too coordinated lack character and depth. Instead of matching everything perfectly, mix different furniture styles and textures to create a more natural and lived-in look. 4. Too many statement walls. A statement wall can add personality to a space, but having too many in one home can be overwhelming. Whether it's bold wallpaper, bright paint colors, or textured panels, excessive statement walls can make your home feel chaotic rather than stylish. If you want to use a statement wall, keep it limited to one per room and balance it with neutral tones. 5. Industrial style everything. The industrial style, with exposed pipes, metal finishes, and raw wood, was once a favorite in modern home design. However, using too many industrial elements can make a home feel cold and uninviting. Instead of going all in on this trend, try mixing industrial touches with soft fabrics, warm lighting, and natural textures to create a balanced space. 6. Minimalism. Without personality, minimalism is about simplicity and functionality. But some people take it to the extreme by removing almost everything from their space. A home without personal touches can feel empty and unwelcoming. Instead of following a strict minimalist approach, add personality with meaningful decor, books, plants, and artwork that reflect your style. 7. Oversized furniture. In small spaces, large furniture can make a room feel cozy. But if your space is small, oversized pieces can make it feel cramped and uncomfortable. A giant sectional in a small living room, for example, can limit movement and make the space look unbalanced. Choose furniture that fits your space well and leaves enough room for movement. 8. Excessive use of gray. For years, gray has been the go-to color for home interiors. While it can be a great neutral shade, using too much gray can make a space feel dull and lifeless. If you love gray, consider pairing it with warm colors, natural materials, or colorful accents to create a more inviting atmosphere. 9. Open concept. Everything. Open floor plans have been a major trend in modern homes, but they are not always practical. Without walls, it can be difficult to separate different areas of your home, making privacy a challenge. Noise can also be an issue, especially in households with multiple people. Instead of removing all walls, consider partial dividers, sliding doors, or furniture placement to create a more functional layout. 10. Following trends too closely. One of the biggest mistakes in interior design is following trends without considering what actually works for you. What looks great in a magazine or on social media might not be the best choice for your home. Trends come and go, but your home should reflect your personality and lifestyle. Choose elements that make you feel comfortable and happy rather than blindly following what's popular. How to create a timeless home. Now that we've discussed what to avoid, let's talk about how to create a home that will stay stylish for years. The key to a timeless interior is balance. Mix classic elements with modern touches, and avoid overly trendy designs that will feel outdated in a few years. Here are a few ways to achieve a timeless look. Use a neutral color palette as a base and add color through accessories and decor. Invest in quality furniture that is both stylish and durable. Add natural elements like wood, stone, and plants for warmth and texture. Personalize your space with artwork, books, and decor that have meaning to you. Choose timeless patterns like stripes, checks, and solid colors instead of bold, trendy prints. Conclusion: your home should be a reflection of your personality and style, not just a collection of the latest trends. Avoiding these 10 interior design mistakes will help you create a space that is both beautiful and functional. Whether you're redecorating or starting from scratch, remember that thoughtful design choices will always stand the test of time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.